So we still there here. We still there. Hey, hello, my dear. Please lower it a bit for me. Thank you. We still there here. Don't go anywhere. Me, now me expect to say a bit to a baby. Nah. Yeah. Now by this time, can you share them? Ya kata ye to me pie. Hwe. Yan ye so no. Wo ye bone a. E do be gina bonte ne etua wakakaduro. Jesus no. Wo ye bone a. E do be gina bonte ne etua wakakaduro na nkwara ni nyina hwe. Enti ye tutu ye ni wi ye ne ye nkwara nkitikiti o. Wo etua wakakaduro wi o sa obie. Ombie. Omo de share yen. Enna sande nyame bo wi ase no wo. Enipa bi wo ha no nko wi ase a. When we are dang. When we need less A plus, you be winning less. Moon win if you. We come in must see 2 more for Monty. And I'm at here, we say, Galamsey fight no na. Ama MPP lose a Nanado, a Lususi, and your Galamsey fight no. A young Crofona, Moko Gigi or Nomana, ya cana Montano, could you be good? No, I got Tonwedi. Akwaje obi excavator na odi ama wo crop some fan mo gigi nkurase fo asase ye ka saa muntie ene with your Facebook say what to Obama Akufo-Addo nti Akufo-Addo win election Akufo-Addo ne ba wo miatu kwan a NDC ni na president ye win election am catch say mo adwuma no kra mo ntie ase o adwuma na asem na esi no mo ntie ase ngu nipa jimie the kasa kire wa mo ntie Akufo-Addo be de ebu man no meno no kra ka me de ba ma ba wo mia no nto aso jimie kasa kire mo amonte What to Obama Akufo-Addo but they be Akufo-Addo nim no tu ne na free krom ha na ba wo mia so tu kwan pe alamba be na president NDC for na e wu o man no wahu nya jimie be bia jimie de mo agbeduru wahu be bia jimie de mo agbeduru wahu say ye to abani wi ye no na ye kasa Akufo-Addo e win ni pe the next morning me ba Facebook and bet ro say MPP MPs 4 baku fi ha mienu fi ha omo be kwatia mu na mo ka sa me boa no mo aka kire me o me ga na me na meti bibia because me MPP from penny for papa na no mo jimidi nti me meti bibia no aka kire me say enti anura me friend me ni pe ka say yo pa yanto chacha my goku ebetumi awini o wini da because na me nim na catch them say nkofobio krum ha mo hwe na mo ye ni papa wo na mo yi du tam ya na bufuo na aye over no ma ya de bi o ma catch them say it's me catch them say mun ko twa 2 bets mun ko ta 2 sure obi an ko twa 2 sure because eya dan ya MPP na wo ho no we na Akufo-Addo hu ye o mo hino ka say mo di ni krofo say na mo di ya food soldiers no mo di ya MPs ni bebre o mo adwa mo fokin enti ya no ma catch them say kwa me nya abotrela MPP penifo na party ni mu no penifo pa na kwame okra de no nya botre ankofo we je ba kire o munyansa na munya hu hwe o mu hwe o si atobe yo bedaso I'm still here mutumi ma Facebook mutumi ye dede na mo ye ni biom mutumi ade na atonsom mu de no na atonsom ke to abawie ye nka ya kasasa ye nim se mo be to abawie ema ye dwane fikrum ha atonsom akrono ni timie nguni pa mo win election mo win no mo se mo di kosi cathedral mo ko budan egu se mo kosi cathedral so mo ko budan egu dan ya yesi ye na Ghana asase asa nyankopon ote rage pen na nyamete mo ko budan egu because obi di book bi be kire mo se amami bi kore apple wo garden bi mu ena nyame se ade ti no mo awe ne garden no ne apple no mi apple no ti nyame ma awe na me de koroso ma mi kunu ono so wa awe nyame se mama obesia me se we ne po akọwe apple sa story we go sa stories we nyame de ohu mu bubu dan ehiafo my Ghana ye nisika ye si dan ya ye de ma judges akyem mu akobu dan no se mu kwasi dan ya ye ka apple story wo ti mu akobu dan egu nyansa ben ne wo mu tirim nyansa another 4 years never no yebesa tatam yebesa kanokre na kire mu mupa muntie yen yebetena ha yen ngusu hwio de bia me ba Facebook me live video say me I have nothing to lose nwako budan ekosi dan a ye ka Apple story wo Apple broni ma wi ase na o be kire mo Apple story no na ye nsom nyame wo kurom ha na ye nana no mo nsom nyame na me nana ko akudu ko onsom nyame na me nana ko akudu ko abosomfo na onsom nyame mo tran na ye de story ye be ka kire mo kosi dan makotobo e wa abrochiri makotobo bo e de abasa mo be si dan na mo be de wi ni seat no mo be de wi ni mo seat no wache bi ase bibia na free ase ye to ba wi what is obi aka free ase Jesus asem Ghana for to aba say ye hwehwe mampini bi oba be jai obeba nkwase asem etu atwa wo mamu ha wo ye pe obi a obeba be mampini wo mamu ha ebema nkwase asem tu atwa enye free na mama mo free what da say ye beto aba aban to me for phone no afre nipa wo wahin akufo do say ye ma osika na covid sika bagibi ye cheche sika mo spend over 1 billion still the speaker of parliament NDC ni still speaker of parliament NDC ni e ba na say jimie etumfo amonte jimie na bibia nya me ya say ye etumfo na amonte no ba umia na bebre it's also no disassociating no free ejimifo ho the cancer tremo amonte mu Ghana fo ato abama mu Kolebu is the biggest hospital in this country na enframa kura bi ni ho wo Kolebu a wuntumi mfa phone enye call enfre say me the patient bi ba ambulance ba say na ye no ye nko hefa ye say arrange bed mbeko bi hospital papa enye adwuma o man ha dan a ye si ajaji sim say ye kobu na ye bi esi asore dan ye start MPP me ne MPP and tokwa start nyina kire me one day a ye kun tokwa enya about the development of this country and adia abibie hia ye kun tokwa se Ghana ye 275 MPs who drive 275 V8 ye need ambulance we need ambulance me can some ways da mukoto ambulance by number bondum ofeetwon agbene ofeetwon a plus we need we ato yen na ye kun se bibi mbra o man mu yen ni ewu jimie we MPP ni a eno nkire se by force se wujimi what I said and just by force say wujimi o ye need street light on motorway no so as good citizens we have to fight for street lights on the motorway and in our neighborhoods because we pay for it. You pay for street light. Who toll light with the shemua 10 Ghana obetina and 9 something yatu street light. You do not have street light and you have to fight. You have to get street lights in your area. Who ya kasa asam original say that ben na yabe kan asama. It is not about the interest of the people and the nation as a whole. Plus agbene ofeetwon because yakota ambulance amba instead of so obeka so Charlie squad now omo say hwe ye beto aba everybody's area ye two gutter ye two ha ye two fa ni ye two gutter ha na machines holiday weekend Sunday mi kwan so ha omo ye kwan ye two aba no ye pe no say sa woni omo ko enti the bia beto omo politicians say jimian ye two aba no wie ye wo area kwan na omo ye no hu say omo guso ye omo nja kwan no nko ye wo area ye to aba ni wie no wo area kwan na no mo ye no are they still doing it omunja kwan no gu ho nkoye and we are talking about this issue that don't allow these politicians to do this and this is what they are doing we are yen san the bia ye beto aba na ye kwan na ye wie pe babam ye beto aba motorway so omu see street light day and night weekend holiday Sunday nyina no mo ye adwuma ye to wie ye pe omukọ enti yen de ye gimi the bia say ya na Ghana for pe mampani bi a obeba obe ende sanoma no obi anto aba ma akufo de so me ye free o ye ma ye free we na ma ye free we ye to aba ne ene ya ye kase to aba akufo do obe we na ma ye free we ye ohun asem esi wo election mu no akufo adu tumi tena o memu ha no afa pen ne pepa no atro letter dia come America Black Lives Matter say police brutality e wa America police folk kunkum nipa e wa America enti no or sympathize with blacks you know and then you Akufo-Addo you sympathize with black people in America ya to about Ghana Techiman South nipa wu ntumi kan ho hwe Joe Wise Bekwa MP beka kire say omo criminals as a lawyer you can identify criminals who have not been tried and it's normal So, omo criminals, ye to aba no omo ko misbehave yenti no, e ye normal si eku omo, but ye to aba parliament no bi akotam, obi akot ballot papers, no bi akotam ballot box, and no dey normal. But ordinary Ghanaians in there, omo wu a enye no no dey enye normal. Omo ye bibi enye normal si eku omo, shoot them to kill them. Enipa we na edi oman we so. Na wo betena ho ye kan sam we akere wo a wo bebie wadwen mu no wetie asam no wo de wo maame ye MPP ni nti no wo de normal wo de wo papa ye MPP ni nti ye normal na wo A+ me support o na why na say yankopon de babon sam support no obon sam ni yankopon de ti on support no iti me on support ni afa me ho ben moti o memu ha akotobo sam de besi dan e we Israel for born honhom bi wo mu a say Holy Spirit o so say ye dan yo makotobo wo Israel. Na say mission bi pani bi no bi say enti say no enti wo problem dey say na me say me say me Ghana man pani a nka me kwa akosi cathedral no wo Kentampo. Me kwa akosi cathedral no e wo Kentampo because you see we are say kakraka ya nyame boto wo ha nyina ne mfimfini e ye Ghana e na Ghana mfimfini ye Kentampo. And this I mean I'm a president of Ghana, and I'm a system person be see Dina, and come in Kobu dying go or rage, and come back to see cathedral no see Kentampo. No me see a tin because no ma catch you as in say, eh ha, and I you as in a middle, then your me was ra, and wo for the way now cost roha, over see anyame, Yarabia you be a beko, Ubani pebe to me cover for Sadiano, and psychologically some people will get healed. Who to meet Trump playing free. Na uko Israel uko pede ya de uko gina bia se hana bonsam de Yesu be gina na o kire ne se o hwe na ma ne gina ho twa foto be hu se bonsam ne Yesu gina bia bi ye twa montro na magye edi utra plan mu firi ha ko Israel se uko hwe bia bonsam ne Yesu ko gina hwan na hu sa ade no a obeka kire wunti a wudi mirika se uko Israel haye hana ayi Yesu be gina ayo ye hana Moses ne hana ayi baby ba ko bi o se ayi hana ayi Jacob eno osoro abofo okun ntokwa na mudi saade nechi ba wo de wontumi creative baby akonfa no chi ye say wontumi creative baby akwame nkroma ye say wo so fa ngisika ni bi jimie na obi ahu ye mehi so mo mti abruchire no dwene Jonas catcher say munja jimie no na jimie mu na mote na wo say hey munene kokonto kwa Ghana ha jimie mu ne yete kwame nkroma ni fi otenam e wo Ghana ha e wo circle baby agya she circle no ho na kwame nkroma note ne dan a odem ho na wo eye any civilized country nke de bia nkofo ba behwe bibia kwame nkroma tenae ne chobot ne mpani se ebi ni ho kra na o se corporate carpenter mane bobo mpa ne edisi ho se hana kwame nkroma mpa we na na oda so obi ye nko se sa book azan book be enu na abrofo ne de museum ne ade no mde giska no ba mo madwen no enya adwuma madwen no problem wo ho madwen ne nya adwuma omo mo bu o man we bebre na kakra bi na nim yansa. Oka say oko baby na saying Egypt ya say bizu say no muni ayi aboya ne ho black ayi ponko ya ne ho black and white difference ayi zebra say o muni bi o ma ko fast spray ya ya graffiti e wo ayi container mu ya ye spray down hu o ma ko fast spray ni bi e no mu de spray ayi donkey no original zoo wana ko fo behwe say ayi zebra na ya jiska kofo trampoline mom kohwe zebra say na ya donkey na ya spray no ho white paint and black ya mark no enso tohwe aboye na ase ya hye no yomu ne ho nyina na ahohori nkofo de omadwen Egyptian mummy pyramid na say nkofo de omadwen jiska wo mamu ha ko begro go and see the rocks at Begro. Wo ko Begra, there are huge rocks, there are huge caves in Begro. Go to Begro and go and see what is in Begro. I went to Begro. In 1870, so a white man were here. I was here with my wife to see so and so and so. In 200 years history, Oko Begra missionaries na omo ba hano. Omo beti basra asore ni ade no. Omo cemetery wo Begro. Omo na nyina wo ho. Ya the glass akata so. Who knows about this? Do the people in Switzerland near there and Germany missionaries in those days no, do they know that baby was Begro? Yesu, because way back in the 1900 18 then no time na Ramsey anomba hano. Omo besisi dan wo Begro. before Rams omo missionaries no ebi Rams ya nuko pie abetifi no omo besisi dan wo begro no omo se wo a wo pese wo tena nyankopon mu no yesi estate wo ha enti bra enti sa area wo begro e fra ho Yesu mu yesi small estate eye ancient dan yesi ye ba wo ko honda bon se eye well planned eye not dan by ya planning no ye ye fra ho Yesu mu. So what can you do? JB Dankwa baby o call school e wo begro e wo ho sese ya baby JB Dankwa call school the primary school e wo begro. Do you know about that? Abena on beto wo kuro no so na esi wo na e friend na abegrogro no e da so si ho ye twa ho white esi begro. Do you know about it? What's happening free here na o call Israel o ko because Israel for no to me promote omodie ni ye enti na wo koto bo wo ho se wo di besi dan no na nka me di Akufo Addo echi mandan so da ye se Akufo Addo betumi afa plane na kofa bo so di besi dan wo nkran ha ebo no biti ho se NDC for ne pentokwa NDC for mo ankasa people for mo primaries bo a mo ho saa na mo di wi aba no mu aba we na mo lusi o mo hade esi wo parliament and now mo pese mo de military intimidating kofo wo memu ha taking military into the chamber of parliament with guns adentia Akufo Addo president mo bia nkasa wo memu ha bi wo mu bia wewu a wo sunda ye wo me be wiase nipa ba ko me hu na wewu a wo sun ono kra se na ice hye nani ase ye wo me be wiase nipa ba ko pe me hu se wewu a ye ne ya wo sun ono kra se ice block akolo kin nani ase. Go to a place like Begro. There are waterfalls. What down Adua, you hear the water pouring. There are about 26 or so waterfalls in and around Begro area only. Well, who knows about it? Tourism, baller. To me, feel how comfortable with Israel. Maybe I come for call Ukugwa. You know the history. It's not media will become Otumfuo as because but for Otumfuo. Any as the Benshia, any the Ashanti Empire, any Ashanti Kingdom, and can history a Kawukrum Hano, any wine. Obey to me preserving the dear. Kakra be no mutumi and no makakra. Niaka you say, I have for the more for politics, Bebrena and Kanokre, where your henny, ye 2 1 or henny, ye dwabe ye or henny. Regional House of Chiefs, ye 2 ammonia de Grofobes so, and Obia di, a yaw de, woman and this Indian people, but some coach and no tradition, woman in shim. Now, Tina, who the impact, the effect, benya, a woman culture and so. Otumfuo men shall be to me the NDC name people could no color somehow come and see. Young Kango Kuro, Memuha. Who you to Obama where presidents we could see a sorry dying. Who new hospital, papa, so we could see a sorry dying. Ubi ya dear name, Yana Woko Khan, now President Buefu. Mampeni ayato Obama no on to mean dealing with Obia, even deputy minister, he can't deal with them. Like I say Ghana for to me back free SHS. Me man to Obama for some free SHS. Me to man so free SHS mo omo ni. Yes, it's good. But we need a government that is going to fight corruption. Look at this country we live in. Institutions don't work and Akufo Addo is now the cause has deepened that problem na wo memu hano. Akufo Addo has deepened it. And can no you complaining police ni military ya politicize the police ni military ya politicize the police ni military everybody is complaining Akufo Addo buy no or the electoral commissioner beka ho say any government that comes to remove the electoral commissioner there we will hold huge protests to remove her before Abayembe Sakra. We have to hold huge protests in this country to remove the electoral commissioner. Akufo Addo buy Auditor General go on leave again because we need Babako ya here. Papa ne can say, what's your memo as president of Ghana? What say? And Akufo Addo the election. Ya man no farmer na farmer home. Akufo Addo 3 years yente ha. Am I not still here? What say Akufo Addo win election me am I not here? Na me boni pa different no. Na me boni pa different. Me I love to fight. Akufo Addo Yo unipa baako ya dia enye. The Auditor General is the one who is taking money from how do you call it? Enkrofo mo wi oman ni sika, enkrofo mo fa kotikwan so age oman ni sika. The Auditor General is the one who is taking the money Domlovo or Jisicano back to the state. They are finding Puntujuma. One Jiso Peso Dio or Jiscano dia bois or mine near the Ayam Puntujuma. I could say, I didn't know Domlovo Tata, Nencroft Nibi or Nencroft. Entino, Kufa du Buefu, Domlovo could leave. Thou could leave back na Supreme Court. Ya the number been in name near Fire Safmafo, ya man, ya Auditor General for Fonabano, or the normal for form or court, not just an Watono. Onipa na all Jessica the amount of your money, you know, on non in the Bakuntokwa. Wow, Nima, or Memuha, who say we are okay. We would mean Nancy Yan or Pebia, Bibia Bayabiano, Bibianco to control, no support Akufado. Obia Bibia Yamenka. More MPP from Penifona, Yam Wina Kwame. Oba, Kamasam, can PP asem. MPP a party, papa, MPP a party, Cassia, Akufado na Beseno. And to Oba, Ubit Nakamba Umiasem. Ubet Naka MPP asem, Ubet Naka a Canadian Ponsem, Ubet Naka a Alan Chamantiasem, Ubet Naka MPP J. Kufuasem, Member Kankufado asem trim. Kakufado as my trams and me. A special prosecutor, and I'm not by one of our special prosecutor by. And you just brought the man and came and put him there so that he will feel nothing special. Okay, as a Ghana for more. We just had any in a Ghana for or more observing, or more observing. The mama free, oh my dear free. Mungo to free as no Facebook be mine. Jimmy, Chrono, my plan is some big boy mine. Yeah, you wait, Trino, Ebiana won and a wound. It's ya wait, Trino, yeah, with Yaman say, Nane, say no, say no, yana, ya with Yaman, Yamum, your enemy. Yana hit with Yamon, Yamum, your enemy. Now, where they go, mine, yeah, Charles and Nana, Omubua, Yamon, your win, not just a walk home, no, what is I would do, Hannah would do her. Obi quiet one in the account with some Macleo. We're quiet one in the account, Macleo. Yana, ya can't say where you say, you know, Manasseh now all can't some trouble. No, the problem is not the problem. Manasseh, who is talking about the problem now becomes the problem. Mom Penokre, Akufo-Addo has become a confident liar, like we control with confidence. Akufo-Addo has become a confident liar, like he can stand on radio and TV and say, we won the elections massively, and this is the most free and fair election in the history of Ghana. Eh? So be control. So who's your body language? Nipa body language. So steady nipa body language. Anybody who is telling a lie, they be all kind of the teacher and the right. So we say, we want. This is the most free and fair election in the. Anybody who is telling the truth, they look up left hand side like this, because this is where you see truth. And you're natural. Go on YouTube, watch everything. We can't drop. And he's so confident in lying. And that's not the man that I followed. He has become a confident liar. Like Mamen Kanamen Kombeden. You don't have a legacy. And Nanado, from now to the next 4 years, where you have been placed, it is going to, if you don't do the right things, so that some of us will stop talking. I want to support anybody who is there for this country. I want to support. I want this country to develop. So if the right thing is being done today and Ghana is moving forward, I will always support. People say, come here, plus there, on your consistent. How can I be consistent in lying? I should be consistent, like every day. Biano, remember, I said, and the Makasi Nana, and the Waya did the Yapan, or Yamaminka. In Ghana, when you say, John Mahama did this good, oh, and this is for my idea, power. The next moment, they are fooling. When you say MPP former, you say the next moment they are fooling. So it is very difficult for you to be consistent. And we cannot be consistent in lying. And therefore, you have to deal with the issues. You have to deal with the issues. Everybody who is not disappointed did not believe Nanado when he was talking. Anybody who is not disappointed in Nanado did not believe him when he was talking in 2016. Some of us did. We believed him. We believed everything he was saying. And that is why we question, because Mijinidi say some not can no correct, but not knowing some mube na a platform talk. Ya to about to me troll letter kuma America for said George Floyd. A friend is saying Black Lives Matter, police brutality, and a your friend is saying, your friend is saying police brutality in America. Dear Ben. who to me throw letter at the comma a friend saying a dear friend saying a America in support of Black Lives Matter. Who could be trouble in the Pugua was only a criminals, a normal. You can't say anything about it. When PC only a criminals. Now George Floyd now obey in a year or crew hano. Who him say at his age no could jail 5 times. George Floyd now be in a year or crew or memu hano. At his age no could jail 5 times. But me be in a year. But Obiko police station na issue bi siwa na ebotu no wu a ono ye criminal mu nim nyansa mu penifo na mo parliament ho no bebre na mu nim nyansa utumi be ye obi eyie criminal like George Floyd utumi be ye wo mamu ha am obi akobi enipa wu o mamu ha o ye Ghana for dia wo se omo ye criminals nyansa ni mutrim me ka last one me ka some last one mako mehu sa abra na mo bo no wo behu papa bi ti asem na me ka chi wo behu papa bi we DMP, we di hwan, we di minister, wa ye den, wa ko, wa ba, wa ye bibia bi. Eso obenyin no, na ne man nyina, uhu ma, aso uhu ma brabo no so. We nam ha. We ase school papa nyina omo ko bi, hospital papa nyina omo ko bi. Ne ma no, e ma na wom no, omo ware ye, uhu ma brabo so, basa. E me na wom no, wi ye we ase nyina omo na omo hye. Drug in omu bobi omu ne unhu amabrabo e komo de ende omu ba amabrabo no omu nankasa unhu so papa nankasa ode ne ho no diabetes owobi hepatitis owobi friends high blood pressure owobi BP owobi bia ne yere basa eso wiase bibi papa bia onya bi o but ube mu papa bi no a civil servant Oyeduma wo Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. Oyeduma wo Ghana Commercial Bank. One ne yere, omo ware 30 years, 35 years. Ne mama nyina ware. Omo nya so awa mema nice guys. Omo so ye corporate guys. Omo one ne yere, omo di 70 something. Omo ti omo kam na omo kọ asori Methodist ana Pentecost. Omo abafie, omo kwasra omo nana no. Ye do omo nana no abro omo si omo na so. Hwe, enye nya mo ye no. Se wubu oman ya wo sa woji sika yesi monfa koye nsuo ma hiafo no woji na woji sika yede asoma wo se fa koye mpuntuduma ma hiafo na wodi a wona wo ma no mobedi mobebo monsam mobesere mani beje madwem so ma yeyi o but dachi obenya sunsun so eya JF Kennedy ni nebusuafo no hwe omu nyina hwe se na Kennedy wuye hwe se na mama kan nyina omu hwe ma bra bobi sin de na wankasa fa ya adesua na decide what you want to do mudin kwasi asem wo krom ha omemu ha obi ansuro obi awu ye ne mo be fesu wo omemu ha sa for the next 4 years a choice that you make won pese ye ne mo fesu a mo sakra mo suban penyen so be sakra me yes you say obia ayi amanase hwan obia pese no obia kontokwa wo me yes you obia pese o man yeye enti wo sakra pe obia be sakra ene manase obehu na o kan sei ochina no o kan sei and then o kan sei because moon to me you are not consistent in doing the right thing and we cannot be consistent in supporting you, so be consistent in doing the right thing and let us also be consistent in supporting you and we will support you. Monfa madwenye adwuma for the next 4 years because these 4 years are going to be very very turbulent. 4 years that day is going to be gidi and you are aware. You and people from Wohono, mo party ni muna kasado. There's going to be the Alan Baumia, the Tugati, and all of those, and Woho. And Sana, the issues in Parliament, and Woho. And Sana Mubasa called parliamentary primaries, there are going to be issues, and Woho. And Sana Bako national executive elections, there are going to be issues, and Woho. And Sana constituency. So Munya Sunguyo. So you don't have to add Bobi Ansa. You don't have to add Bachanfor. You don't have to add Kevin Taylor. You don't have to add Manasseh. You don't have to add Anas because you have your own issues already. So just try to do the right thing so that we can also try to support you. Jimmy na mujimi 4 years no. Munjai. Mujimi ache. Mujimi kakreye. Sa mujimi no. Mujimi kakreye. Na mena montina. Mo bibia good night. The plan is wrong. Why? Replenish. Obini budget. See you done. If you see a do, I gonna for some kicker. La 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 la. The best, the best, Cody. I'm a long story now, Today we day, even today we day.